The night my house burned down, I lost everything, except my will to rebuild from the ashes. Standing there, watching the flames devour each memory, I felt the stark realization pierce through the despair: this was not the end, but a brutal beginning. Over the next year, fueled by relentless determination, I not only rebuilt my home but also started a community fund to help others facing similar catastrophes. Through sweat and sorrow, I learned that real strength isn't about holding on to what you have, but about fighting for what you can become. Every setback is cloaked in the guise of a challenge, daring you to rise stronger than you ever were before.